Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox out of date version with the error code 280. So please follow the steps with me and let's get this fixed. Open up command prompt by typing cmd in search bar and make sure to run it as administrator. Now in here we need to paste a folder path. So to do that, open up run by pressing Windows key and R. Type in run %local app data % and click OK. On the top, click in here to copy the path. So once you highlight it, then copy it and go back to your command prompt. Over here, press CD space and then after that, press Ctrl V to paste the folder path. Once you're done, then press enter. And next type this command rmdir space /s then space Roblox. And after that, press enter. Now just type Y and press enter. This will remove the Roblox from your device. Then you need to download the web version of Roblox. I've left the link in the video description. So just open up this one and click on download now. After you download it, then make sure to run it as administrator. Hopefully this should fix the issue. And thanks for letting me know in the comments below. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.